up this morning, can't shake the thunder from last night. You left with no warning and took the summer from my life. I gave you my everything, now my world it don't seem right. Can we just go back to being us again? Cause when I'm sitting in the bar, all the lovers with umbrellas always pass me by. It's like I'm living in the dark and my heart's turned cold since you left my life. And no matter where I go, girl, I know if I'm alone, there ain't no blue sky. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Cause baby, when you're gone, all it does is rain, rain, rain down on me. Each drop is pain, pain, pain. When you leave, it's such a shame. We messed it up, you and me. Cause baby, when you're gone, all it does is rain. And it feels like here in the arms of someone new, but I'd rather be there under the covers just with you. Oh, cause you were my everything, now I don't know what to do. Oh, I'm caught up in the storm. Cause baby, when you're gone, all it does is rain, rain, rain down on me. Each drop is pain, pain, pain. When you leave, it's such a shame. Like I'm living in the dark and my heart's turned cold since you left my life. And no matter where I go, I know if I'm alone, there ain't no blue sky. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Baby, when you're gone, all it does is rain, rain, rain down on me. Each drop is pain, pain, pain. When you leave, it's such a shame.
Let's learn Bring Down the Rain. It's choreographed by Fiona Murray and Roy Hadisubroto. It is a 96 count, one wall, high intermediate phrase. The phrasing for the dance is ABC, ABC, ABC. Each part is 32 counts. When you are dancing it, you're going to dance it like it is a 96 count line dance. Because the phrasing never changes and there are no tags or restarts, you're always going to dance the full 96 counts when you do this dance. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance part by part, section by section, using steps and counts. We'll then practice each part to the walls that they belong to with steps and counts, and then we're going to go through and dance the entire phrasing of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on the dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Bring Down the Rain. We're going to start with part A. Part A is 32 counts. When you are dancing part A, it is going to go from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So you'll always start A at the front and it will bring you to the back. Section 1, you're basically going to start on your left foot. We're going to do step hooks. So we're going to step our right foot forward. And when you do this, you want to slightly angle them, so do it slightly off center. We're stepping forward with our right foot. You're going to hook your left foot back behind your right. You want to bend your knee and kind of have your knee out slightly. We're now going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to hook your right foot back, having that knee bent with it slightly out. Now, when you do this, your hand motions are going to kind of match your feet. So when we step forward, your hands will come forward. When you hook, they'll come into your body. Step, pull. So let's try it with the hand motions. Weight is on your left. You're stepping and hooking. So it's step, hook. From here, we're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left. Rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. We're going to step forward with our right foot and you're going to hold. We're now going to do a ball step. So you're going to quickly step your left next to your right, step your right foot forward and hold. And then we're going to quickly step our left next to our right, taking weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your step hook. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 2, we're going to do out, out, in, but our out, outs are going to go on our heels. Our first one is going to make a quarter turn, and our second one will stay at the side wall. So we're going to go out, out, right, left, into the diagonals, onto your heels, right, left. Now, as we step back together, you're going to make a quarter turn. So you're going to step back with your right, together with your left, making that quarter turn. You're now facing 9 o'clock. And then we're going to do another heeled out, out, in. So you're going to go out, out, in. From here, we're going to do presses. And as you do these presses, you're going to slightly twist your body a quarter turn. So we're going to take this right foot forward. You're just doing the very ball of your right foot, and you're going to twist your body a quarter turn, and then we're going to step together as we square back up. Then we're going to do the same thing with the left. So you're going to press the ball of your left foot forward, twisting your body a quarter turn to the right. You're angled towards 12 o'clock. Square back up as you step together. Now the hands are going to follow your body. So as we press with our right, both hands are going to go towards the left. So somewhere between your shoulder and your hip. You want it to be in the middle of your body as you press. So you're angling that body, twisting, bringing your hands, and then having them come back center. And then we're going to do the same thing to the right. You're going to swing both hands to the right and then back center. Now, when I do it, I like to swing and then I kind of do a little bit of a loop as I come back center. As long as you're swinging and coming and swinging and going, then you will match this. So the little bit of a curve is a little bit extra if you would like to add some styling. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your heeled out, out, in, making a quarter turn. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a curving weave. I want you to remember that the front of your body is what is going to face all of the walls. So what we're going to do is cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side. Each time you step to the side, you're going to make an eighth of a turn. So we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. You're now facing 7:30, and then you're going to cross your right behind your left. We're now going to make an eighth of a turn over our left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 6 o'clock. Cross your right over your left, and then you're going to make an eighth of a turn, stepping your left foot to the left side. You're now at 4:30. We're going to cross our right behind our left, and you're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to cross our right over our left, recover back onto your left foot, and quickly step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to cross our left over our right, recover back onto your right foot, and quickly step your left foot to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your curving weave. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 4 in our final section of A, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a slide. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left. You're going to quickly make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, doing a big step to the right and dragging your left foot into your right. And then step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to place our right heel forward. You're going to hook your right heel over your left shin, place your right heel forward, and hitch your right knee up. We're now going to do side touches. Step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. And that is all of A. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your jazz box quarter slide. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and that is all of A. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a one-time through with steps, one-time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with your step hook. So it's step, hook, side rock, back rock, step, hold, ball, step, hold together, heel out, outward, in, out, in, and press together, Now your weave. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, side, cross, rock, recover, side, cross, back, quarter, slide, together, heel, hook, heel, hitch, side, touch, side, touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your step hook. So it's step, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 of 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and that is all of A. So now let's talk about B. B is 32 counts, and it will start facing 6 o'clock, and it will come back to 6 o'clock. So I'm going to do it to 12 o'clock just so you can see what the footwork looks like, and then we will practice it to the back wall because you are only going to ever start it to the back wall. So we would have just done our side touch. This is our rein part. So we're going to do quarter pivots, and as we do, you're going to bring your hands, swing them up, and as you pivot, you're going to pull them into your body. Up and pull them into your body. We're going to end up facing 6 o'clock. So we're stepping forward with our right foot. You're going step, quarter, pivot. You can kind of roll your body and roll your hips. Step, quarter, pivot. You're now facing 6 o'clock. We're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. You're going to touch your right next to your left, and then we're going to do a heel jack. So you're going to step your right foot back, place your left heel forward, and then step together with your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your quarter pivot. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. For section 2, we're going to repeat what we did in section 1 of B. So we're going to do the same exact footwork. So your step, quarter, pivot, walk, walk, touch with your heel jack together. So you're doing your step, quarter, pivot, go walk, walk, touch, step, heel together. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your pivot. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot into the right diagonal. You're going to rock your left foot behind your right and recover onto your right foot. You're now going to step your left foot into the left diagonal, and you're going to rock your right foot behind your left and recover onto your left foot. We're now going to chasse to the right, so we're going to go side together, side, and you're going to touch your left next to your right. And then we are going to do a big step to the left. You're going to rock your right foot back and recover onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Stepping into the diagonal. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and. Section 4 in our final section of B. We're going to do a mambo step forward. So you're going to rock your right foot forward, recover back onto your left, and then step back with your right. We're now going to run back, left, right, left. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, and you're going to hold. As you hold, you're going to bring your hands, palms facing up out to the side and up above your head, kind of like you're catching the rain. And if you would like, you can kind of bounce your heel as you do it. I like to kind of look up to the sky as I do this, and you're going to hold for that whole time. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your mambo. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all of B. So now let's do it facing 6 o'clock, one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your quarter pivots with your arm pull in. So you're going step, quarter pivot, walk, walk, touch, step, heel, step, quarter pivot, walk, walk, touch, step, heel, step. Now it's your diagonal. Step, rock back, recover, step, rock by, recover, side together, side touch, slide, rock back, recover, mambo, step, run, back, 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 step out and bounce, and bring your hands up. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our pivot. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is all of B. So B happens at the back, stays at the back. So your A goes from front to back, B goes from back to back. C is going to go from back to front. So this is the part that's going to bring you back to 12 o'clock where you will do A. I'm going to face 12 o'clock to do it so that you can see what the footwork looks like. But like B, the first 16 counts are repeating footwork, but for this one, they're going to be opposite sides. So we would have just done our bounce. So section 1, your weight is going to be on your left foot. What we're going to do is a reverse paddle. So we're going to step our right foot behind our left. You're going to press your left foot to the left side. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as you press your left foot to the left side. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you press your left foot to the left side. We're going to do 2 sailor steps. You're going to cross your left behind your right, step out with your right, step out with your left, cross your right behind your left, step out with your left, step out with your right. Now when you are doing this reverse paddle, you're going to stretch your hands out, and whatever foot you're paddling with, you're going to kind of look over that shoulder. So we're paddling, so you're going to kind of lean, have that left hand up, and you're going to go paddle, 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 sailor step, sailor step. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're crossing behind with your right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. We're now going to do the same exact thing, but we're going to go over our right shoulder. So you're going to cross your left behind your right. You're going to press your right foot to the side. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you press your right foot to the side. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, pressing your right foot to the side. We're back at 12 o'clock, and then you're going to do 2 sailor steps. Cross your right behind your left, step your left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, step your left foot out to the side. Now, like the first reverse paddle, we were turning to the left, so we had our left hand up and we were looking over our left shoulder. We're now turning to the right, so we're going to have our right hand up, looking over our right shoulder. So you're crossing behind, and as you start your press, you're going to stretch out your arms and you're going to paddle, press, 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 sailor step, sailor step. You just kind of want to like have one arm, you can kind of bend to the opposite arm a little bit. It doesn't have to be completely stretched out. You can, as long as you're having this one and you're looking over your shoulder, then you'll match what they're doing. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're crossing your left behind. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a quarter ball cross. So we're going to step our right foot forward, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you cross your left over your right. So we're now facing 9 o'clock. We're going to hold, and then we're going to do a ball cross. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right, and you're going to hold. Right now we're going to do a scissor step. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, step together with your left, and cross your right over your left. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sailors. You're going to do your quarter ball cross. So it's and 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 in our final section of C. We're going to do point, hitch, point motion. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side. Hitch your right knee up. You're now going to touch your right toe slightly over your left. Hitch your right knee up. Point your right toe to the right side. Hitch your right knee up. You're now going to cross your right behind your left. Step your left foot to the left side. We're going to cross our right over our left. You want to slightly bend your knees and lean into this right foot. You're going to have your hands come out with your palms facing up. Have your arms extended. And we're going to slowly unwind a 3/4 turn over your left shoulder. And then right now we're coming back to 6 o'clock, but when we are doing it, it will bring you to 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your point. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's face 6 o'clock. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, we just did our hands up. So you're going to cross behind and do your reverse paddle. So it's behind, press, quarter, quarter, sailor, step, behind, press, quarter, quarter, sailor, step, quarter ball cross, hold, scissor, step, quarter, quarter, cross, point, hitch, behind, side, cross, unwind to 12 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're crossing behind. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, we're going to face the front. We're going to dance all 3 rotations of the 96 counts. Remember, it always goes ABC, ABC. So weight is on your left. We will rotate between steps and counts throughout this. So the first time we do the 96 counts, it will be steps. The second time will be counts. And then the third time will kind of alternate. So weight is on your left. We're starting with A, so this is your step hook. So it's step, hook, side rock, back rock, step, hold, ball, step, hold together, heels, out, quarter, in, out, in, quarter press, together, quarter press, together. Now it's your weave. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, side, cross, rock, recover, side, cross, back, quarter, drag, together, heel hook, heel hitch, side touch, do your B, so it's quarter pivot, walk, touch, step, heel step, quarter pivot, walk, touch, step, heel step, diagonal, side rock, so it's side, rock, recover, step, rock, recover, chasse with a touch and slide, rock, back, recover, mambo, step, run, back, step out to the side and bring your hands up and bounce your heel. Now we're doing C, so it's behind, paddle, sailor, step, behind, paddle, sailor, step, quarter ball cross, hold, scissor, step, quarter, cross, point hitch, behind, side, cross, 3/4, unwind, do A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7, hold 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 of 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Hold 2 and 3, hold 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, hook, side rock, step, hold ball, step, hold together, heel, back, heel, back, quarter press, together, weave, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, side, cross, rock, recover, side, cross, back, quarter, slide, together, heel, hook, heel, hitch, side, touch, QB, step, quarter, pivot, walk, touch, step, heel, do it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and now it's your diagonal, it's step, rock back, recover, step, rock back, recover, chasse, touch, slide, rock back, recover, mambo, step, run, back, step to the side, bring your hands up, now you're doing C, so it's behind, paddle, quarter, sailor, step, behind, paddle, quarter, sailor, step, quarter ball cross, hold, scissors, step, quarter cross, point hitch, behind, side cross, and your unwind. And on that final unwind, you'll just unwind to 12 o'clock, and you can kind of stand like you're standing in the rain. So you're just coming on down, and you can just kind of stand here like you're enjoying the rain. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Bring Down the Rain. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Woke up this morning, can't shake the thunder from last night. You left with no warning and took the summer from my life. I gave you my everything, and my world it don't seem right. Can we just go back to being us again? Cause when I'm sitting in the bar, all the lovers with umbrellas always pass me by. It's like I'm living in the dark and my heart's turned cold since you left my life. And no matter where I go, girl, I know if I'm alone, there ain't no blue sky. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, cause baby, when you're gone, all it does is rain, rain, rain down on me. Each drop is pain, pain, pain. When you leave, it's such a shame. We messed it up, you and me, cause baby, when you're gone, all it does is rain. And it feels like here in the arms of someone new, but I'd rather be there under the covers just with you. Oh, cause you were my everything, now I don't know what to do. Oh, I'm caught up in the storm, cause baby, when you're gone, all it does is rain, rain, rain down on me. Each drop is pain, pain, pain. When you leave, it's such a shame. Like I'm living in the dark and my heart's turned cold since you left my life.